Ariti Ngugi THIRIKARI nibatumirite gwita Mugomo bakiwa nibethirite nindi baikara kwa kaita THIRIKARI na gutumira mariya micara yo ukurukira nkiama yo nibaugite nibabati kwamukira uri bobweru kuma mweri wa July kana mwanja gukiongera nindi kinyamo irane yamwe yarabethirite baikara ya taingo mwankira nindi.
Solidarity forever.
Mathaa mataretu nyumia thirikari kwanera gwitudo kwa misara ya rutuira ba mwingi kire mukataba wa CBA arutiwira ba thirikari ja county gutukira kiama kiao gya Kenya County Workers Union leo ni beumili tikumenile gutengwa kwao kire mubango jo mujero wa mpongeri ja misara kire rutuira ba thirikari nene kiama giki ya kurungamira rutuira ba thirikari ja county gutukira mwandiki munene wa Kiro Baduba leo ni kiriti thirikari nene kwanera mpongeri ngi ja misara kire rutuira ba thirikari ja county mbele ya ntuko 21 kwethira gikinyamuthia akethira togu bakambire Mugomo.
It has been omitting county government workers from its consideration, even where the president at one time directed that all public servants, and I say this, all public servants should be cushioned for the astronomical increase in the cost of living. So this discrimination must stop, and it has to stop sincerely. And the public is important. They know it is out of this frustration that we'll have to go to the streets and do all that we have to do to have the employer listen to us.
Kulingana mwandiki wejo munene wa kiama giki kiri mubango wa mbele thirikari ongere misara kira rutira bonde ba thirikari nene na kuthithia wendaniro kire thirikari ja county arutuira kire county imwe bekongerwa misara na county ingi gutengwa kire mubango jo thirikari kire mubango jo ajeri yetenga rutira bonde ba thirikari ja county.
So there's somebody somewhere who is calculating to frustrate the working life of county government workers. And we are responsible. The team you see here, this is one of the biggest branches we have.
Kulingana na kiama giki tagalilila thirikari nene likainyirio tungata kile thirikari ja county giutatena mubango wa thirikari Kenya Kwanza wa bottom up.
Superstructure up here is purely for administration. The people, the drivers, the citizens, ni wale chini ya mashinani. And that's where the workers are. But they are large numbers. These people have been discriminated against. So we are saying this discrimination now, we will not take it. It has to stop. And we'll exercise the powers conferred upon us by the labor relations law to take action. We are giving effective today. We have served on all the county secretaries because those are the employers.
Kuma mji munene Nairobi mbeta Antony rangi wa kadhinya.